Hey everyone, Tina here. Welcome to Beautiful Journey. In this video, we are going to unbox my latest e.l.f. order. This was a Black Friday order and e.l.f. did not take that long shipping it to me. I've had it here for quite some time, but in the meantime, I had two collaborations to film. The Christmas red and green makeup collaboration and the New Year's Eve affordable makeup full glam. I will link both of those down below in case you haven't seen them. And I will try to link them in the cards, but it hasn't really been working. So if I manage to get that to work, they'll be right here. I didn't want to unbox it and start using it and get things scattered around and then have to round them back up. So it's all still in the box. And if you want, like me, to see what's in this box, because at this point I don't even remember what I ordered, then let's pull the tab and get into it. I ordered a few of the bite-sized palettes. And e.l.f. in their packaging put each one of those in this little individual box so that they wouldn't rattle around in there and bump against other stuff and break. And I am really impressed because they're all perfectly intact. The first item that I've dug out is the bite-sized face palette in Pomegranate. I have one other of these. I have White Peach. I haven't bought more of them because to me the highlighters in them seem to be a little dark when I look at them in the pan, but when I see people swatch them they don't. So I decided at $1.80 I would take a chance on another one, and let's go ahead and swatch that. It has this really pretty pink blush and then a highlighter, and so the blush and the highlighter, and you can see that highlight is maybe a little bit darker, but I think it'll be okay. It definitely has a gold tone to it, and I tend to prefer more pink or icy silvery kind of highlights, but I do like a gold highlight, so I will definitely get use out of that. And then they came out with two new of the bite-sized quads. I have several of the others. These were not on sale. They were $3 a piece. So the first one is I Love You a Latte, and this one is all matte. Now, in addition to being a great standalone palette for an all matte look, I think it will be a perfect companion to the other bite-sized palettes because some of them don't have this nice light shade that I like to use to set my eye primer from crease to brow bone to help make blending easier. Or maybe they don't have just the right shade of transition color, or you need something to help deepen it up a little bit. So anyway, I think this will be a great companion, and we're going to go ahead and swatch those shades. A 4-finger swatch down here. And as usual, I mean, the quality of these for $3 is just incredible. They swatch beautifully. And then the second one I got is the Orange Dreamsicle, and it's a lot of these really light orange shades, which I think will go very well if you need to deepen something up to pair it with this one. So let's go ahead and swatch. This one looks like it has two shimmers, a satin and a matte. This shade and this shade are shimmers. This one has those little flecks of glitter in it, so it's more of a satin, and then this one is the matte. So I will do those right here for you. And yeah, they're all really light. So I'm not sure what kind of a look you'd get if you used just this palette. I think you might have to bring something else in, but if you just want a really natural, just kind of glowy, everyday look, this would be really pretty. I've really been enjoying e.l.f. skincare lately, especially their Holy Hydration line. So I picked up the e.l.f. Exfoliating Scrub with Purified Water and Vitamin E. It was on sale for $3, and I plan to keep this in my shower so that when I take my morning showers, I can exfoliate at that time. e.l.f. has some amazing affordable tools for your face as well, so I picked up two brushes. The first one I got is the e.l.f. Putty Bronzer Brush. It has this nice angled shape to it, and it's really soft, but they're also dense, so that when you go into the putty bronzer, it will pick it up, and then you can just jab it, and then you can just dab it in along your cheek there and blend. Use it up in the hairline, wherever you want, but it feels like a really nice brush to use for that. So I'll let you know how that one works. I have been loving my little stork scissors that I got from Wanderlust, by the way. They're great for helping to get into packages. So the second brush I got was the e.l.f. Putty Primer Applicator brush. It's kind of cool because it has this little scoop on the end that you can dip into the primer and get it out with. And then it has a nice dense brush there for packing it into your pores, because that putty primer, you really want to get packed in and fill the pores. And this was $3.60. When I put these down in the description box, I'll put the retail prices and then the sale prices so that you can see how much you can save on Black Friday. The next item I pulled out of here is the e.l.f. Stay All Night Microfine Setting Mist. I love this setting mist. I've heard that people had trouble with the sprayer on this one, but that was not my experience at all. This was the best sprayer of any setting mist I've used in a long time. In fact, the first one that I emptied quite some time ago, I have put other setting sprays into the bottle because the mist works so well. This is actually the second time I filled this bottle with a different setting spray because I have way too many setting sprays. But it allowed me to completely use up a hard candy charcoal setting spray that would not spray at all in the bottle that it came in. And so I thought I hated the setting spray, but I didn't hate the setting spray, I just hated the bottle. And so I put it in here and it was perfect and I used it up. And now what's in here is the BH mattifying setting mist, the Paradise set. And I like it better in here because that bottle was not any good either. So maybe there was some inconsistency in the sprayers, I don't know. And I was a little concerned when I saw this on the website when I was ordering it because it said something about we listened to you and we've improved the sprayer. And I hope that it's still good. So I'm going to take a second here and yes, look at that. I mean, so fine, just really, really a good sprayer. I've been working my way through a plethora of brow pencils, and I actually have worked through, I think, 3 of them. So I allowed myself to purchase a brow pencil, and this is the Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. It's $3, and I got it in the shade Blonde. Honestly, I don't notice a whole lot of difference in micro brow pencils. I did have a micro brow pencil from e.l.f. once, and it was kind of hard and scratchy. So I'm hoping that that was just an anomaly, but I wanted to order another one and try it and see. So let's see what we get. Yeah, it feels okay. It was a little scratchy starting off, and then it got better, but I think that's going to be a really good color for my brows. And then everything else in here is a lip product. This is the Love Triangle Lip Filler Liner, and it's $4. So it has this interesting triangle shape that you can use it as a liner and also as a filler. And this shade is soft pink. If you use the triangle part, you can get a thin line. And if you use the flat part, you can get a thick line and fill in. It's a really pretty shade. Very similar to what I have on, actually. So that's that one. I then have the Lip Lacquer in Wild Rose. I've had these before and I really like them. And that color is also just a really pretty soft pink. I think I might put some on, actually. It has a vanilla scent to it. So the next lip product is the Hydrating Core Lip Shine in the shade Lovely. This is one that has that cute little heart in the center that is the hydrating portion and the color around it. And it's this color right there, which is kind of a bright, sort of a corally pink. Really pretty. And this is a nice formula. It's very hydrating, very comfortable to wear. And my final item is the Lip Plumping Gloss in Champagne Glam. I have this in a couple of other colors and I just really like it. It plumps, but it's not uncomfortable. And yes, I know I just put on a gloss, but we're going to put this one on too. I'll give you a little swatch. It's just mostly clear with a little hint of champagne to it. It's just a really nice gloss. It's not sticky. And while it does have a little bit of a plumping, it's not sharp, it's not painful, it's not, anything like that. It smells like vanilla, like most of their lip products. And so that's my e.l.f. haul. I got a total of 12 products for $30, which I think was a pretty good bargain and definitely falls in the affordable makeup category. Before I sign off, I'd like to take just a couple of minutes to go through the rest of the friend mail that I have received this holiday season from a group of women that I have gotten to know and done a couple of collaborations with. So let's get into it. I'm not going to show envelopes because I don't want to worry about revealing somebody's address accidentally. So this one is from Jennifer, and she is from the channel Agoraphobic and loves makeup. And it's this pretty little card that says joy, love, peace. And warmest wishes of the season, Jennifer Miner. Tina, I had so much fun working with you on the Christmas makeup collab. I had fun too, Jennifer. May you have a wonderful holiday season and good fortune in the upcoming new year. Thank you, and same to you and your family. May you have a blessed, happy new year. So my next one is from Lisa Ann, and it is this pretty wreath. And on the inside, it says, all good things to you this Christmas and in the coming year. Merry Christmas and God bless. Same to you, Lisa. I hope you had a great Christmas and that you have a happy new year. And inside the friend mail is also a mask, a winter skin facial mask, energizing, peppermint infused. And that sounds really wonderful. I will love to use that. Thank you, Lisa. All of these women, I will have their channels linked down below so you can check them out. They do amazing things too. This one is from Leanna Dalton, and it's this cute little truck with the tree. My daughter-in-law loves this truck, by the way. It says, Tina, wishing you a very Merry Christmas and an amazing 2022. May your holiday traditions bring you joy and peace. Hugs and kisses, Leanna. And there's all these cute little stickers in here too. Leanna, thank you, and happy holidays to you and your family, and Happy New Year as well. My next one is from Andy Does Stuff. The red truck is obviously a theme this year. It's very popular. Merry Christmas. Hi, Tina. May happy moments and cherished memories surround you with joy this season. Wishing you a very Merry Christmas and a happy and safe New Year, Andy. Same to you, Andy. I hope your family had a wonderful Christmas and Happy New Year. This last one has more than just a card in it. It says, Merry Christmas. And inside, it says, Tina, may your holidays be blessed. Peace and joy to you this Christmas season. Mary from Beautifying MZ. Thank you, Mary. I hope you had a blessed Christmas and a Happy New Year. And she sent a sheet mask as well. This one is Hydrating Cranberry Cider. Ooh, that sounds interesting. And it says yummy scent. So I'm going to be set for any Mask Mondays that I do in the future and just for relaxing with a mask. Thank you all for the wonderful friend mail. I'm sorry that I am card challenged. I did not send out any cards this year, and I have not actually for several years. It is something that I'd like to get back to, though, because I really do like getting regular mail. It doesn't seem like it happens very often these days, and so maybe next year I'll make that a goal to send out some Christmas cards. All right, time to wrap this up. You guys have listened to me ramble long enough, and I'm losing light anyways. If you enjoyed this video, then I ask you to take just a second and hit that like button, give it a thumbs up. If there's anything in here you'd like to have more information about, you want to see me doing a look or anything like that, then just let me know that down in the comments. And I pray that you would all have a very blessed and happy new year. Bye-bye. See you in my next video. So the first one is I Love You a Latte. Why is this so hard? Slow down.